Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. So for today's video, we're going to be making these really delicious pumpkin pies that you see right here. So if you'd like to see how to make this recipe, don't forget to subscribe down below and keep on watching. Alright guys, so for today's video, we're going to be needing 1 can of pumpkin pie puree. We're going to be needing 2 eggs. We're going to also be needing some things that way we can open the can, such as a can opener. We're going to be needing a spatula or a spoon, that way you can get all the ingredients out of the cans. You're going to be needing a whisk as well as some measuring spoons, a mixing bowl, and in addition you're going to also be needing a deep dish pie crust. This is really good because that way you don't have to go ahead and make it your own. You can just buy it and use it. So for the spices, we're going to be needing some ground nutmeg, some ground ginger. You're going to need a dash of salt or sea salt, as I'm using here, some pumpkin pie spice, and last but not least, some cinnamon as well. Really going to be delicious. Then you're going to be needing some evaporated milk, just 1 can will do, and some sugar as well. It's going to be a 1/4 cup of sugar. So I'm just opening up the pumpkin can, and then I'm going to just place it right into my mixing bowl. I'm using my handy spatula, and I'm just going to take this and just plop it right into the mixing bowl. Really easy. You can also make your own pumpkin puree if you like, but I find that when you buy it from the can, it's a lot more consistent. So I would really recommend using the one from the can, and it's a lot easier as well. So now that you have all of the pumpkin puree into your mixing bowl, what you're going to be doing is you're going to be now gathering up all your spices and just placing them together. That way you don't forget any of them, and you can just place them into the bowl. So I have here some pink Himalayan sea salt. I'm going to just take a dash and just sprinkle it right in, and that's just about all you need. You just want to add this so it can really balance out all the flavors. And then into that, I'm going to be adding in my 2 eggs. I really want to mix this well together, so you want to do this before adding everything else in. So again, just crack them right in and add them right into the bowl. Add it in, you just want to mix really well, that way everything's really nicely combined. Again, it's really important that you mix in the eggs really well and make sure that they're completely blended into the mixture. Once that is done, you're going to be measuring up all your spices and adding it in. For all of these spices, I'm going to be adding in 1 teaspoon. Again, that's 1 teaspoon for all of the spices. So I'm adding in the nutmeg, the ginger, the cinnamon, and the pumpkin spice as well. These are really great spices, and they're really going to enhance the flavor of the pumpkin itself, and it's just going to come out so delicious. You're really going to love it. So again, just 1 teaspoon of all 4 spices. Once again, after all the spices are poured into the bowl, just mix and make sure you really combine them really well. Now that your spices are mixed in really well, you're going to add in your sugar. So you're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of sugar. So here I had a 1/4 cup measuring little spoonful, little cupful. So that's what I'm using to add in the sugar. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your evaporated milk and you're going to shake it really well. It's really important to shake it well, that way you get all of that milk really nicely combined. Open up the can and just add it into your mixing bowl as well. Be careful when you're mixing in the milk. Remember, it can splash everywhere, so just mix nice and slowly. Take your time, add it all in, just 1 complete can, and just mix it all together really well. So now for the last step, you're going to be taking your deep dish pie crust and you're going to be pouring in all of your pumpkin pie batter right into the crust. It should fill all the way to the top. This is perfect for 1 pie. And what you're going to be doing after then is just placing it into the oven to bake. It's not going to rise, so again, you do want to fill it to the top as much as you can. It should fill it, again, 1 deep dish pie, and this will be it. Okay guys, and this is the final result right out of the oven. It is so delicious, and I really hope that you enjoyed this Thanksgiving with all of your loved ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial as well as this recipe for pumpkin pie, and I really hope that you enjoy it alongside your family for this Thanksgiving. If you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe down below. Give me a big thumbs up. It'll really help to support my channel. And until next time, remember to always create a life that you love.